Making your first $1,000 is not about luck, it's not about having connections. And it's definitely not about starting a perfect business. It's about understanding one simple thing. Money follows value, and once you learn how to create value, getting paid becomes predictable, but most people never reach their first $1,000. Not because they can't, but because they overcomplicate everything. So here's the simplest path to make your first $1,000, step by step. Step number 1. Stop looking for easy money. The biggest mistake beginners make is searching for shortcuts, fast money, easy income, quick wins. But here's the truth. If it's easy, everyone would do it. And if everyone does it, it stops working. Real money comes from solving real problems. And that requires effort, learning, trying, failing, adjusting. The faster you accept this, the faster you move forward, because instead of chasing illusions, you start building something real. Step number 2. Choose a skill that pays. You don't need a business to start. You need a skill that solves a problem. Something people are already paying for: writing, editing, design, marketing, sales. These are not just skills. They are tools to create income, and here's what matters. Don't try to learn everything. Pick one, focus on it, practice it daily. Because the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to become useful, and useful people get paid. Step number 3. Get your first client fast. Most people get stuck here. They keep learning, but never earning. Because they feel not ready, but you'll never feel ready. So instead, act early, offer your skill. Reach out, post your work, ask for small projects. Your first client won't be perfect. Your first payment won't be big, but it doesn't matter. Because this is the turning point. You go from trying to actually making money, and once that happens, your mindset shifts completely. Step number 4. Turn $1 into $1,000. Once you make your first money, don't stop. Repeat the process. Improve your skill, increase your price. Get better clients, deliver better results. This is where growth happens, not in theory, but in repetition. Each project makes you better, faster, more confident, and eventually, you reach your first $1,000 not by luck, but by stacking small wins. Step number 5. Build momentum. The first $1,000 is not the goal. It's proof that you can do it. And once you have proof, everything becomes easier. You stop doubting, you stop hesitating. You start thinking bigger, because now you know this works, and from here, you don't start over, you scale. Making your first $1,000 is simple, not easy, but simple. Stop chasing shortcuts, learn a skill. Get paid, repeat, that's it. Most people never do this, that's why they stay stuck. But if you follow this path, your first $1,000 is not a question of if. It's a question of when.